Welcome to the public information meeting for the Culvert Replacement Project on US 6 in Jasper County. The project is located on US 6, approximately 1/2 mile west of County Road T38. It is between the towns of Kellogg and Grinnell in Jasper County. The purpose of this meeting is to give a brief background of the project, explain what will happen during this project and how it will affect traffic. We will also show you the timeline and budget for the project. There is an opportunity to submit questions and comments about the project at the end of the presentation. The existing culvert was built in the 1940s and extended in 1950. It has reached the end of its service life and is in need of replacement due to structural concerns. It is experiencing cracking at the roadway, deterioration at the joints, and water intrusion at most joints. This is a display of the proposed plans for the new culvert structure under US 6, which is shown in the red lines. New roadway pavement above the culvert will also be constructed with the project. That is shown on the plans as the yellow rectangle. The DOT will need to acquire 0.3 acres of permanent easement and 0.3 acres of temporary easement from adjacent property owners for the project. The light blue areas are where permanent right-of-way will be acquired from the landowner. The light tan areas are where temporary easements are needed for clearing and grubbing for construction purposes. US 6 will be closed to traffic at the project site during construction. This map shows the official detour route that will be signed for the public. It is shown in orange on the map here. The detour route utilizes Iowa 224, Interstate 80, and Iowa 146. Here is the current timing of the project. We are currently working to finish all the engineering plans that will be used for construction. We will also begin the right-of-way process soon to acquire needed permanent and temporary easements. We are targeting a letting date of January 2026. This would allow construction to start in the spring of 2026 and continue through the fall of 2026. The current estimate for the total cost of the project is $400,000. Our next steps on the project timeline include the current public input period, right-of-way negotiations, final design of the engineering plans, a bid and letting period, and then construction of the project. The Iowa DOT would like to thank you for taking the time to listen. We welcome your questions and comments. The preferred method to contact us is by using the online link shown here. If you would rather contact us by email or phone, please reach out to the District Transportation Planner, Shelby Ebel. All comments should be received by September 8th, 2025.